Welcome to the stock market roller coaster. Today we're embarking on an exhilarating journey through these 6 levels of stock return calculations. Buckle up and let's start Kountin Koins. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you bought shares in Verizon 5 years ago for $45 each, and now they're dancing at $60. We will unveil how to calculate your stock returns based on this price jump. Hold on tight. Now we're taking the next fun turn. We'll break it down and show you how to find the annual return. It's like turning your investment into a speedster. Buckle your seatbelt, it's about to get thrilling. And here's a secret bonus level for you. When you're assessing stock returns at this level, it's like being a detective solving a financial mystery. You're uncovering the hidden treasures of your investment. In level 2, we're cranking up the excitement. Not only will we consider share price changes, but we'll also introduce you to the marvelous world of dividends. Learn how to access the dividend data and see how it transforms your returns. Brace yourself for this one. We'll unveil an updated formula that adds dividends to the mix, making your returns even juicier. This is where the financial adventure starts to feel like a treasure hunt. But wait, there's more. When you're factoring in dividends, it's like you've discovered a pot of gold at the end of the financial rainbow. Your returns become not just numbers, but the magic of your investment journey. Ready for the ultimate thrill? Level 3 is all about supercharging your returns with reinvested dividends. We'll introduce you to an online tool that takes your investments to the next level. Get ready to fly high. Hold on to your hats. We'll guide you through using this tool and you'll watch your returns soar like a rocket. It's all about maximizing your gains and understanding the magic of compound growth. Get ready for liftoff. And as you soar higher with reinvested dividends, it's like you're in a financial adventure through time, watching your investments grow exponentially. It's the magic of compounding, turning small steps into giant leaps. In level 4, we're about to navigate some tricky waters. We'll explore the world of transaction costs and service fees that can sneak up on your investment. Stay vigilant as we unveil how they impact your total returns. Consider this the ultimate challenge. You're not just an investor, you're a financial superhero. Watching out for transaction costs and fees is like protecting your investment fortress from hidden dragons. Be the hero of your economic story. Think of it as financial chess game. When you account for all these costs, you're making strategic moves to ensure you're the king or queen of your investment journey. So, are you ready to become the grandmaster of your financial destiny? Here's where we dive into the deep waters of macroeconomics. Level 5 isn't just about your investment, it's about understanding the bigger picture. We'll explore how global economic trends can influence your returns. Get ready to don the economist's hat. We'll introduce you to key economic indicators and show you how to use them to your advantage. It's like having a crystal ball to foresee market movements. By considering macro factors, you're not just an investor, but a financial wizard who can predict market waves. It's like having the ultimate stock market cheat code. Level 6 is for the data lovers and risk takers. We'll delve into advanced analytics and risk assessment so you can maximize your returns and minimize your losses. Dive deep into statistical analysis and learn to read the charts like a pro. It's like upgrading from a novice adventurer to a seasoned stock explorer. As you master advanced analytics, you become a stock market Sherlock Holmes, spotting hidden clues in the data and making decisions that outsmart the market's surprises. In the final stretch of our adventure, we'll take a quick breather and summarize the fantastic journey through these 6 levels of stock return calculations. It's all about being the hero of your financial story. So, what's next for your financial adventure? You can choose the simple path or embark on the treasure hunt of your investments. The more you explore, the better your financial voyage will be. Happy investing, and may your returns always bring a smile to your face. Keep counting coins.